So when we say divergence, right, what we are saying is very simple. So we have this indicator that we call RSI, or relative strength index. And what this indicator tells us is that the indicator normally moves like how price moves. So we can be in this, and when you look at it very closely, the indicator and price almost moves alike. You see where I put the line, as you see, boom, there's a point. There's a point to here. It comes down. It moves just like price. But there are times when although it moves like price, the way it moves can be in such a way that it can tell you what is going to happen next on price. So for example, when price moves and gets to the top, maybe price has moved and gotten to the top here, right? According to what price is doing, we have this point. Let's say we have 2 points, which is here. Let me do it a vertical line. And then we have another point, which is there at the top here. And then we have another point, which is there at the top here. Okay, you see. So we have this point. So we are going to connect, like, one is red, one is blue. And I'm just showing you how it works. And then this other one is green. And then we'll put the tops. So this is the top of this one. Okay, yeah. Let's make it green as usual. And then let's bring it here. The blue one, the top is just there. Literally there. And then this one, the red one, the top is there. So let's put that on. Oh, where is this? Oh, why is this thing behaving like that? That's a red one. Okay, so that's a red. Okay. So you see where the red, you see where the line ends. This way it ends, this way. If you look at it carefully, you see that although the thing is behaving the same way, if you connect a line at where the red ended to where the blue ended, yeah? And you also connect a line on the indicator where the red ended to where the blue ended. You can clearly see that the line that you've connected is telling you that on the price action, which is on the chart, the price says it is still going up. Do you understand?
Yeah.
The direction tells you that we are still going up. But on the indicator, the direction tells you that what? We are coming down, which means that the indicator and the price, they are doing the opposites. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
So if the indicator and the price are doing the opposite, who will follow who? That's a question. That is what is the question. Which one is going to follow which one? So we can cut it here. If we see,
indicator.
so price has to follow what? The indicator. Do you understand? So imagine you see something like how we've seen it here. We expect price to follow the indicator. Do you understand? The question is, how far would price follow the indicator? That's another thing. Or how far will price come? That is another thing. But we know with what the indicator will be doing, it tells us that price has to follow the indicator. Do you understand? So then we can play and you see prices coming down. Do you understand? So price came down for a bit before it started going up again. So price has to follow the indicator. Now, in that same vein, if you look at from where we are now to where the green is, let me play the chart till we get there. Okay, we've gone past there actually. So let me cut it there because we know where the price went all the way because there was a week. There was a week on this one. You see? Oh,
Yes, sir.
it wasn't there yet. Let's see the next. It went all the way up. Maybe it's next candle. Yeah, that's a candle all the way up.
Okay.
So if we look, even connect from here to where it is now, you see? And then we also connect
Up.
from there to where it is now. Do you see how they are opposites? So
Yes, sir.
what does price have to do? Price has to follow the indicator.
Okay.
Now, if you look at it very carefully, you've learned the break and retest. So let me put a break and retest on it for you. Some like here it's not even clear break and retest. Or sometimes we break and retest the zone. But here it's not clear unless of course we are looking at a small divergence on this and maybe something like that. Even those ones are not clear. So we have to trade break and retest of a zone, but it's not clear, right? So we would look at the indicator and look at weak rejections. So, but here, what we are saying is, you see, you have a clear divergence between here and there. So what is price saying? Price says is going up. And then what is the indicator saying?
It's
Hello?
saying price is coming down.
Yeah. So what would happen to price?
It will go down.
Price has to go down. Do you understand? So you have a huge divergence on the 15 minutes. So once you have this huge divergence, you expect price to come down. Though for
Yes.
price to come down, there are other confluences that you need to play price to come down. Do you understand what I'm saying? But just that I want you to be able to recognize this. You see, so then eventually, if you play the chart, you realize that price came down. You know what I mean? It came down at least for some time. Boom, boom, and it started coming down. So at least you could have traded some like these ones. You know what I mean? For example, if we even had maybe, I think here break and retest can even work. You see the break and retest. So we join here and we broke, boom, we retested it. We are in the downtrend. Doesn't make sense. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
but
this is break.
there was another retest there on
Where
the
at the
first
top here.
one or the second one.
Yeah, at the top
Oh,
here there
at the
was
bottom. At the bottom.
this one. Oh yeah, this
Yes.
was another one here. Yeah, there was even another one. So when you go into the trade, your stop loss has to be at the top. So if it was in a clear retest, you would have to wait. But the point is, where would you take your profit? You have to draw your fib. You have to draw your fib like this from
Okay.
here to there. And then you see respected. Here respected a 618. So we are expecting to come to here anyway. Do you understand?
Okay.
So imagine you went into the trade there. The stop loss has to be at the top. And then you're coming to 618. You see 1 to 1.8. If you cut the trade on this next retest, then that one will be a bit juicy. You cut it there. So that one you have 3.6. You know what I mean? That's huge. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah. So that is to say that, see, when you see the divergence, you should expect that price is about to drop. So when you are even drawing your trend lines and whatever, you expect that price has to break, retest, and then boom, you're in it. You see, so I'm just saying this to say that this is divergence. What we have to do is to go down and recognize where we've got divergence. So every pair that you have, these are the pairs, right? So you can take a picture of these pairs. And then on each pair, we want 5 divergence, only 5. You see,
Okay.
so let's share your screen, and then I will let you find it, and I'll help you find it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. I've been very, very busy. So
Yeah,
that's
I
why
know.
you're not ahead of me.
Yeah, I think I'm sharing now.
Yeah, you're sharing. That's fine. Well, why are you trading today? Why are you trading
So
today?
yes, I was trading good, but
How
then
did it go? Oh,
this is what happened to me.
mm.
I was supposed to take profits here
Oh, and
somewhere.
you didn't take,
It
and you
came,
didn't
it
take it.
came, yeah, when it came
I
here
came, oh, but you
and I
should follow
picked the
structure.
stop loss
You should
here.
follow structure. Oh, you don't worry. We'll talk about, I'll show you what to do. Don't worry. Because I
Yeah,
think
so
you're not using your break, your this thing, your trend lines here. You should. Because if you were using your trend lines, let's look at the, this thing, and then I'll show you the thing on gold. Okay? Because I saw
I
it,
was
but,
trading it on a higher time frame. That's why.
okay, that's fine. Because
Mhm.
sometimes when you're trading on a higher time, it will take a long time to play. So you have to be in the trade for a long time. Now, so go, can you hide these things for me? Bring the indicator, please.
Okay.
Mm.
IRS,
No, it's RSI.
RSI.
That is there. Relative Strength Index.
Okay.
You've started already, so click on it and then let it come. Click on it. Just click on the main thing once. It's not there. Yeah, click on it once. Yeah, it's come. Yeah, so then go into settings. Take the yellow out.
Okay.
Calm down. Setting will be down. Yeah, yeah, there. No, go on the indicator. You see up small. You see the, yeah, there. Settings. Click. And then you see the yellow RSI. Be take it off. Yeah, and then okay.
That's all.
And that's all. So now we can find it on any time frame, but let's look at the 15 minutes. That's an average time frame. So I've seen one. I've seen one right now. So let me mark it on your chart. You see, don't move the chart there. I'll
Okay.
mark it for you right now. So this one, it comes with practice. Do you understand? It comes with a lot of practice. So
Yeah.
from here to here, you see it's going up. You
Yes,
see
sir.
that same vein from here to here. You see it's coming down.
Yes, sir.
So that's divergence. Do you understand? So, and where you will remember, we see divergence is when maybe we've played a Fibonacci to the top. You see, you've not finished the course. If you finish the course and we put everything together, then you would understand how it works easy.
Yes, sir.
So we'll try and go through the course. So this is one. Where can I even see another one? So normally you see it at the tops before we have a reversal, or at the bottom before we have an uptrend. So move to the move to the so mark this thing on your chart itself before you move.
Okay,
Because if you
sir.
move, yeah. No. Just use, what are you using to mark? Or you're using vertical line.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, like, and then the other side.
I should use different color.
It's up to you. Something that you recognize later. Now move. I'm just doing 5 for you right now. And then you should, this one, you have to learn it. The thing is, you have to find it. You see what I mean? It's not
Okay.
easy like that. The more you find, the more you become used to it. Let's move to the left. Move the charts to the left and let's find some.
Okay.
So I'm looking at the bottom. I think I found one. No, go to the left. Go to the left. Keep going. You see, go to where your red lines are. This one, this area. Yeah. Wait, I found one.
Yeah. Here and
So
here.
no. So that
Yeah.
and that is going up. If you look at the same region in the chart in the this thing is also going up. That's not so you normally look at the bottoms and at the tops. So I think I've seen even another one. But let me show you which one I found first. I've seen this one and I'll only mark in 5 for you. Look here and here. You see? And then at that same place here and there. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, so I mark it now.
You mark them if you want. We're doing just 5 and then I'll leave you and I'll send you the recordings.
But so see the line. See where the line
Oh,
is.
so let's move back from here to here. You understand?
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, next. Let me clear. Keep moving. Yeah, I think I've seen one. Wait, I've seen one. Wait, I'm coming. So look here and here. That same area here and here. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Hmm.
No, I think it should come back small.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so yeah. So you mark it the way you see it. Or even if it has to go all the way up here. Mark it the way you see it. But have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So we've done 3 now. Um, this is in direction. This is also in direction. Move to the left, please. Move to the left, please. Wait. Okay, this is all the same. This is all the same. Move to the left. Because it's also, you see, there's about 3 strategies to trade this. You see, one is the break and a retest, but the break and a retest is not just any break and a retest. You see, you have to follow a Fibonacci structure. And then the other is the, yeah, I think up,
You see where
where you are right now. Yeah, this one. No.
this one and
No,
this one.
this no. What and what? Which one is what?
This one.
Can you show me? I can see it. Can you put a line
Okay,
on it, please?
I think
No, no, because you are saying we are going up. What is the indicator saying?
the indicator is saying that we are going down.
Where is the indicator saying that? No, it's the same direction. So, I think that's where your problem is. Let me explain to you. If we are marking this chart and we are at the bottom to go up, we mark it from the bottom like this, because now we have to go up. Do you understand? If we are at the top, right,
Mm.
and we are coming down, we have to mark it from the top like this. And then the indicator too, we have to mark it from the top. Do you understand? So if you mark one at the bottom here and you're marking this at the bottom, this indicator, you see what we've marked here tells us that we are about to, indicator say we are going down. This one
Okay.
too, at that same place, this one to say we are going up. Do you understand what I'm saying? But that is not how it works. You see what I mean? The way it works
Okay.
is if this thing says we are going up and this is say we are going down, then which means that we should be at the top here for us to come down. Do you understand what I'm saying? Gideon,
So
does it make sense? Godwin, does it
explain
make sense?
more.
Okay, let me clear. That's for my charts. All right. So for example, take it off. Move back to where we had the examples, and let me explain to you. Move to the right. Move to the first one. Keep moving. Yeah, this is the
Okay.
first one. So the first one, for example, we said indicator said price action said we are still going up. Eh?
Okay.
Indicator said we are coming down. Now cut the chart. Can you cut your chart?
No, when I'm cutting it, they said I have to pay, so
Oh,
I'm
you have to
ready.
update. Okay, fine. So you see, we are at the top going up on price action. So because price action we are at the top, where do we put our indicator? We put the indicator on price action at the top. Do you understand? So we have to also put our this thing on the indicator at the top. Do you get what I'm saying? The reason why
Okay, so
we
we
know we
have to
are
first
going
mark it.
down is the
So we
slope.
have to, so we have to first mark it on the price action
Price
before
action. Yeah.
the
So the
indicator.
thing is the slow. You see price action doing one thing, but is the indicator doing the same thing? Yes. Then nothing is wrong. If the indicator is not doing the same thing and it is doing the opposite, then price would have to come and follow it. Does that make sense? And I can even see one here as we speak now. Look here. You see here, you see price action was coming down. So because it's coming down, you have to put it under. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
If it is going up, you have to put it on top, like something like this, going up. Do you understand?
Okay.
If it is coming down like this, you have to put it under. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, for example, you realize that something like this, it says we are coming down. Do you understand? So price says you are coming down. Where would you have to put the indicator? Under. So in that same range, you can put the indicator under here. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know, so but from here, if you look at it from
I think
here,
the both of them are in downtrend.
no, from if you stretch it a little bit from here to here, do you see the difference?
Okay. Yeah.
Do
I
you
see the
understand?
difference.
So it is your eyes, you need to train your eyes to know. This one is eye training. And how do you do that? A day you can say, okay, you mark 10 a day randomly to learn it.
Okay.
So you see,
Okay.
if you can start seeing divergence easily with time, you see, like this one, you could trade this. Where would you trade it to? Just here. Because it's
Okay.
reversal. Mark
Mm-hmm.
that this thing because maybe it's even news. Do you know what I'm saying?
Okay. So,
Measure that, let's see.
okay. So when I'm done, I should measure it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So with time, you see, I didn't see that one from the beginning, but with time you see those things. Easy. And now do you know what they've done to to the the prop firms? Measure from the bottom, just from the bottom up. Just that green candle.
Yeah.
No, no, no,
To
the green candle, the green big candle.
the green big. Okay. To
Let's see
the
how
top.
much is it. It's to the top, yeah. Or to where the line is, the yellow line is. Oh no, you're going too far. Just calm down. Calm down, calm down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only 13 pips. Okay, that's fine. But it's still divergence. Right. So, oh, what's USC? Oil. US oil. I don't know which one
Yeah.
it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think, all right. So let's keep going.
Okay.
But do you understand
USA.
what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. I do.
So let's keep going to the right. So we've even actually got four now. Keep going to the left, left, all the way. So wait. Oh, you're going too far. Just come. Now, if price says I'm doing one thing, let's say, okay, let's keep going to the left. Let's find another one, and then we'll finish. Okay. I've seen one. So, and let me mark it for you now. And then you would have to find, because these things, it's just like learning how to play a game or something. You see one is here. You see that same range. You see what we have.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So
I
if you
do.
put it at the top, it will come to the top. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
And then I think no, this one is the one that we saw. You see, it's at the bottom. So we put it at the bottom. Simple. Very, very simple stuff. But you need to understand how it works. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Mhm. Because I've seen one. I've actually seen another one. Okay. Wait. No, that's fine. Just go. I don't think it's clear. That one is not so clear.
Let me try if I can see
Yeah,
another one.
see if you can see one. I've seen one right now.
Here and here. What do you
Okay.
think?
Yes, that's
Okay.
correct. Mark it first and let me see what you see here. To the top, yeah. And then mark that same thing on the indicator. You see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mark just one more. Go and find another one and let's go. Don't take,
Okay.
okay, yeah, mark your lines and then
Okay.
go and find another one and let's go. And then, yeah, even that one is nice.
This one.
Yeah, it's slight divergence, but it's cool. You can use it. Hmm. And then go, you put it at the top, it should also come to the top there on that same. You do see it now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go and find another one. Uh,
So how about this one?
which one?
This one.
Mark it on the chart first. But you see, that one did not drop. Did it drop?
No.
Yeah,
But on
because
the
which means it wasn't ready. And do you know why
okay.
it is not ready? If you take Fibonacci, yeah,
Yeah.
if you take Fibonacci and then you put it on this one, I'm showing you what to do. We've not gotten to the end of the trend. If you put Fibonacci on this one, let's say here, and then a retest, he has to go and finish somewhere. Do you know what I mean?
Oh,
At the top
yes.
somewhere. That is why it is not ready.
This
And when
one
it
was
gets to the top,
I
yeah,
think this
you
one
see,
was a new
he
something.
has to go. And then there was a gap. You know, by the end of the next day, there was a gap. So this one doesn't qualify. You trade it another way. So this doesn't qualify. Find the last one. I want something from the bottom and then I'll leave you.
Okay, sir.
I think
But
I
this one
found
is
one.
kind of straight.
I found one. Technically, I found one, I think. Let me mark it for you. From here to here. Then from
Okay.
here to there. Do you see?
Yes, sir.
So the more you do it, the more you know it. There's nothing special. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So let me leave you. I'll send you the recordings. And then,
Okay. So
so
I should
the
pop
what?
5 on each pair.
5 on each pair. So what I want you to do is whenever you've done to send it to me and text me, let me know that you sent it. Do you
Okay,
understand?
sir.
When you sent it, text me. So you can do to you can even decide to do on go on to any of your cryptocurrency. Let's see. Can you see one on your cryptocurrency? Because I can almost see one now about to happen. Look at
Yeah.
current price. Look at here, from here.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Here to here,
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen it.
here to here. Which means all things being equal, Bitcoin is giving rejections to go up. Do you understand what I'm saying? But when is price ready? You probably need a break and a retest somewhere before it goes. So it gives you clear rejections, boom, and then we are gone. Bitcoin has been ranging for ages. Do you understand? It has been ranging for ages. Which one is that? And to the bottom like that. Yeah, that one's just another one. You see, it's everywhere. These things are everywhere. You know, here it's also another one. You see. Oh no, no, this is not one because it doesn't reflect on the thing. Keep moving to the left. All right, let me leave you. Okay. I'm doing some things I've not finished. So
Okay.
I'll send you the recording. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Where is this thing? Can you please stop sharing? Yeah.
Okay.